Hey guys, what's up? So I know it takes a while to get the setup really dialed in. It took me a long time. Ever since I got into FPV, I've been trying to find my perfect setup for FPV freestyle. And I think I finally found it. It's TBS Source 1 frame. I prefer a Squashed X frame. I've tried everything else, Stretch X, True X, and I seem to prefer the Squashed X style. It's a nice tight frame, running 6S, 1300 milliamp per hour pack, running the Mr. Steel tucked style XT60, and TBS crossfire inside, TBS crossfire control link. I still fly analog, and TBS 1 watt VTX does exactly what I wanted to do. I can get up to 1 kilometer out on this freestyle rig, which is all you need for freestyle, really. You don't go any further. And yeah, TBS all the way, man.